This cutting machine is very convenient for unwinding the material. It uses an air expandable shaft for unwinding and is equipped with a deviation correction device to constantly adjust the position of the rolled material, whether it is a film or paper roll. After clamping, the feeding process is stable and does not deviate. Vertical perforation creates side tear lines on the web, while horizontal perforation achieves top and bottom tears and sheet separation for labels. Hole spacing is adjustable on the control panel with high precision. Equipped with a counting sensor, it can automatically cut according to the preset quantity, ensuring accurate and efficient cutting with less labor. The machine comes with an automatic conveyor for smooth product discharge, easily handling both small batch customization and mass production, making web processing faster and more stable. For more details, please feel free to contact us.